And when you come on the boat, it's sometimes only 7 days. But as you start from the first day, people are thinking that, 7 days is not enough. When they leave, it feels like they have spent a lifetime because there are so many experiences and so many things that they have seen. They leave and they tell us that, we felt like we have been for a month on board, and they have spent 7 days. When people are leaving and they have lived memories that they will carry on for the rest of their lives, memories to cherish, they do start crying and they do hug us. It's something unique. Greece, it's a must-see with a boat. The boat is one of Bugari built only this boat. It was built in 1993 as a 25-meter boat. In 2019, it was elongated, it was rebuilt, it turned into 34 meters, refit again in 2019. It's a displacement boat, so it's a slow boat and people can enjoy the sceneries and the trip. We're trying to be family style, not very formal. We can host 12 guests, 5 cabins. The two of them are twins and they have Pullman beds, so we can host 3 guests in there, especially when we have kids. They love the Pullman beds. And a master playroom, as we call it, which on top it's a VIP and another VIP. 130 liters per hour and 200 liters for the generators in 24 hours. Finishing a charter, we're using, if we'll calculate it, something like 3,000–4,000 liters max, which for a boat of this size, it's pretty low. What we try to do, especially with our boat, is to go to the secret Greece, as we call it, places that people don't know. They're not on the Instagram. It's my wish actually to show these places to the people. So when they come on board, they have a full experience of Greek food, very nice sceneries, the philoxenia, as we call it here in Greece, which is actually the love towards the people that are hosts. You need the brokers because the brokers know all the fleet. They know actually most of the boats in the fleet, in Greece, in Caribbean, in France. So they will be able to advise you about what is the right boat, what is the right crew. It's not all the boats for all the people. I had very good experience working with DMA in the past, and hopefully we'll manage to have loads of charters with DMA in the future as well.
If you are interested in any of these yachts for your vacation, give us a call.